Hello there and welcome to EPOS Ready and the demonstration we have of our cloud-based back office software, which is all stemmed and drilled through from the details given on the till system. So everything that is performed on the till would then populate the data within the cloud-based back office. The beauty of this for the owner-operator or owner-operator's benefit is the fact that it's all real-time data. So right up until the last few minutes of activity within the business, you're seeing the information on the back office. Now, first thing you're faced with when you sign in is the dashboard, which gives you different information, different data based on what's happening within the business at any one time. If we just scroll down, so the first thing we have here is the different sites that are potentially we have. So we could go into site number 1, which would load up the data for the corresponding day that we're in. So if we was to look and change to yesterday, so we go to the 2nd of November, it defaults to the entirety of the day, defaults to all your members of staff, it defaults to all of the terminals within the business, which we can although then narrow down, and also locations as well in case we have different locations within the operation. What you'll then see is information financially on the fixed totals, so your net sales, your gross sales, how much money's been taken in cash or in credit card. You've got quantity of transactions and also the values as well here. Any discounts that are given, so we can see what's going on potentially on a negative side, how many covers, what your average spend is, and sort of various information there in terms of net spend and everything, including any discounts as well, which would be the difference here. Then we move to the right, so you have things like your department sales, so it's all split into the relevant departments, and as you see where I can hover over this, it means that I can physically go into those sales and look at each under the 942 and find out exactly what they were. Further down we have top customers, so if we're running a loyalty scheme, we've got who's the best customer is it, been in, when they come in, how much money did they spend. An hourly breakdown, so which is very, very important to understand your staffing levels and how busy you are throughout the day and the periods that you're open as a business. As you see, you've got the hours of the day, you've got the value, you've got the amount of sales, and you've got the average that happen within there. As I scroll further down, you've then got last 100 sales, which will give you an individual transaction. So I could click on that and it would take me to the physical transaction and also give me the sales data of everything that was sold, as you see as I scroll down. Okay. You've then got your PLU sales, so you can see physically what you sold. And also if I click on the quantities, I could then adjust that so that it becomes the ones that we've sold the most of and where the money is being taken on a daily or periodic basis, depending on what you're viewing. We keep going down. We've then got stuff like your transaction key, so we can look at voids and no sales and error corrects. And as you see, yesterday we had 98 error corrects to the value of £352.44. If I was to click into that, what that will then do is take me to those individual transactions, give me the member of staff, give me the till that they use, the site that it's coming from, the value of the sale, and then again I can look at the sale ID. From the till point, you're obviously able to set up things like reason codes so that we've got a reason for a void or a discount or an error correct or a no sale, so we know exactly why people are doing things, which is what you'll see here with the manager's discretion. Okay. Going back to the dashboard, we would then just click on the home, and it will take us back to where we were. As I scroll further down, I can then see obviously how the money's been taken within the business on this particular day. So I've got my cash, my credit card, and the 20, 10s and 5s are the pre-denominations that are set up, so we know exactly how many notes are in the till at any one time. So in case we need to do a bank run or we need to deposit some money into the safe, we know what we should be looking for. Then a split down of your group sales, your sales mix, so your food and your drink, and anything else maybe like merchandise or miscellaneous that you might have. Breakdown of your clerks, so how many sales they've done and the value of money that they've taken. And also then a breakdown of sales by terminal, so we can see which tills within the business are being utilised the most, which are producing the most sales, and are they located correctly, and are we getting the most from everything. This dashboard of information is fairly static with the actual information that it gives. Obviously, then we can drill further into the data with the reporting structure, which gives you around about 160 different reports within the structure of the system. However, this is a good overview of what's going on with the business at any one time. Easy to export to CSV, easy to view as a PDF, so you can print them out and work offline if need be. This, as I say, is fully cloud-based, so this is accessible over any device that connects to the internet, so anything from your phone, your iPad, your tablet, your PC, your laptop, anything at all that connects to that. So depending on, regardless of where you are, you can see information about what's going on within the business. Next time we'll speak about more detail about the report side of it. However, just for now, that's just an overview of the dashboard and the type of information it can give you. Thank you very much for your time.